If Figma is showing a server error 504, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get back into your design files quickly. A 504 error usually means the request timed out somewhere between your device, your network, and Figma's servers. So the goal is to narrow down exactly where the problem is happening. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, try switching platforms. If you're using the Figma desktop app, open your project in a web browser instead. If you're already in the browser, try the desktop app. Sometimes the issue is specific to one environment, and simply switching platforms is enough to bypass the error and load your file normally. This is one of the fastest ways to test whether the problem is with the app itself or with your connection. Next, change your network. Disconnect from your local Wi-Fi or any office VPN you're using and test Figma through a mobile hotspot instead. This is especially useful in workplace environments because office firewalls, proxy settings, or strict network rules can trigger gateway timeouts. In some cases, port 443 traffic or proxy filtering can interfere with Figma loading properly. A hotspot gives you a cleaner connection and helps confirm whether the original network is the cause. After that, clear your local data. If you're using a browser, clear your cookies and cache for Figma, then reload the page and sign back in. If you're using the desktop app and it only loads partially or keeps failing, clear the app cache as well. Corrupted local files or outdated cached data can cause repeated loading errors, even when the service is working fine. Once the cache is cleared, restart the browser or app and try opening your file again. Now, check Figma's service status. Go to Figma status and see whether there's a current outage or performance issue affecting multiple users. If Figma is having a widespread server problem, the issue may not be on your side at all. In that case, the best fix is usually to wait until the service is restored and then try again later. So to recap, if you get a Figma 504 error, switch between the desktop app and browser, test a different network like mobile hotspot, clear your cache and cookies, and check Figma status for outages. Those 4 steps solve most gateway timeout problems without needing anything advanced. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.